What is gravity? Topics covered. Who found the laws of gravity? Examples of how gravity works. How mass and surface area affect falling objects. Gravity was discovered by Newton. Sir Isaac Newton, the man who discovered gravity. One day, he saw an apple fall from a tree and wondered why it fell down. He realized that a force pulls everything toward the earth, and that force is called gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls things down. Gravity is an invisible force present all around us. It draws all objects with mass or energy toward each other. Gravity is a force. Gravity is a force which is present everywhere. It pulls everything with mass or energy toward one another. We experience the force of gravity. We experience gravity when the earth pulls us in a downward direction. Gravity is the same force that keeps the planets circling the sun and the moon orbiting around the earth. Falling objects increase in speed. Objects speed up as they fall toward the earth, but air resistance slows them down, especially if they have a large surface area. For example, a parachute increases the surface area and the air resistance, which makes the fall slower. The moon has less gravity. The moon has much less mass than the earth, so its gravitational pull is weaker. Because of this, a person would weigh less on the moon than they do on earth. This is why astronauts can jump higher and move more easily on the moon. So now, let's understand why gravity matters. Gravity is an invisible force that pulls everything together. Gravity keeps us grounded on Earth, guides the movement of the moon and planets, and affects everything around us.